Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can delete any file on your Google Keep Notes. Okay, so go to your Keep Notes. I'm just going to Keep Notes. So here you can see I just write something about this. It's on my file. Okay, you can see its title and its paragraph. So if I don't want this file or note anymore, then how can I delete this? So just click on this. Okay, click on the file and press long. When you press long, then you will get the option here, three dot, the top right corner on your screen. Simply click on this and here will get the option delete option. So this one, sorry, so simply click delete and it will be deleted. But if you wanna get this thing back, then you need to go trash and you can restore this. So okay friend, today's Noman, thank you for watching this video.